Welcome to our channel. Adding distance to your iron shots creates shorter approach shots and easier scoring opportunities. These techniques help you hit longer, more powerful irons. Step 1. Focus on improving your strike quality first. Solid contact from the center of the club face produces more ball speed than swinging harder. Practice finding the sweet spot consistently. Step 2. Optimize your angle of attack. With irons, you should strike down on the ball, taking a divot after contact. This compresses the ball properly and maximizes energy transfer. Step 3. Increase your body rotation speed. Distance comes from rotational speed more than arm speed. Work on accelerating your hip and shoulder turn through impact while maintaining balance. Step 4. Improve your weight transfer. Shift your weight properly to your lead side during the downswing. This forward motion adds speed and ensures descending contact. Step 5. Create more lag in your downswing. Maintain wrist angles deeper into the downswing before releasing. This whip effect dramatically increases club head speed at impact. Step 6. Optimize your equipment. Ensure your iron shafts match your swing speed and tempo. Too stiff reduces distance, while too flexible creates inconsistency. Step 7. Develop core strength and flexibility. Physical conditioning specifically for golf rotation improves your ability to generate speed. Work with a golf fitness professional on rotational power. Step 8. Practice speed training with lighter clubs or training aids designed to increase swing velocity safely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.